Hello guys, this is a tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can invite someone to your events and tasks on OneCalendar. So let us begin. So launch the OneCalendar app and navigate to the given date with the given event. So today is May 10th. Let us go with the next one, which is tomorrow, May 11th. Double click into the given event, or click one time into it, it should be enough. And here guys, you will have two options how to invite to the given event. So you may click into people here and then enter the email address of the invitee and send the invitation by clicking into this button, or you may click into share here at the top. And then what you want to do guys is use one of these plugins here, for instance, to send the invitational link to the given event. Now you will see the title of the event here. You may also click into this button to copy the invitation link to your clipboard. As you can see, the interface language of my device is not English, but you will see the same button here to copy to your clipboard. Or you may use, for example, Outlook, WhatsApp, Telegram, and other direct messaging applications and email providers you have installed on your device linked here, so that you may send the invitation link via these applications, or use the link to send it via mobile device as well. And that's it guys. That's how you invite someone to your event on OneCalendar. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.